Hi guys, welcome to today's video. You can see Mr. White, Mr. Black and White Cat, Mr. Ginger Tom, my regular visitor, Mr. Tuxedo Cat, and there is a new cat that I'm not sure of, only been once or twice. It is white with ginger markings. There is also like a zebra coloured one, but it hasn't visited for a while. We have also had an incident in the garden. I fixed the tarpaulin, by the way, but we have had an incident. I found a load of feathers around the garden. Don't know what happened, but it looks like a pigeon and Mr. Stewart may have had an altercation. Luckily, they're both okay. Keep safe, Mr. Stewart and Mr. Idjin Pigeon. Bye for now. Enjoy the video. Also, just a footnote to this message. If anybody has any suggestions to any other foods I could put out in the hot weather, please comment below, because at the moment the foods I'm putting out are fish and chicken and a few other scraps. And for some reason, sardines have totally gone off the menu and nobody seems to like them anymore. Any suggestions? Thanks for watching.